Do you want to learn how to make these gorgeous macrame earrings? Well, stay tuned because we show you step by step exactly what you need to do to make them, as well as we've linked down below the exact kit that we use to make these, as well as our macrame plant hangers, wall hangings, and other beautiful home decor projects. With easy to follow video tutorials and step-by-step ebook instructions. Let's get started.
I'm going to show you how to make some earrings today. So we have our 2 hoops and we have 8 strands of cord, 4 on this one and 4 on this one. So you're going to fold each strand in half and you're going to do a lark's head knot on the hoop. I find it easiest to pin it to a cardboard box or a pin board. Now you're going to take your middle 4 strands and we are going to do 1 square knot. And you're going to take your last cord, and this is going to be your traveling cord, and we are going to do 2 half hitches. And we're going to take the next string and do 2 more half hitches on the same traveling cord. Until we get to the halfway point. And then we're going to start with the first cord, and this is again going to be our traveling cord. And we're going to do 2 reverse half hitches. And then when you get to the bottom part, you're going to attach these 2 by doing a half hitch on either side. And another one. And we're going to do this one more time. I always like to start with the same side. And again, our traveling cord, and do 2 half hitches. that we're done that, we're going to cut just to make it a little bit more manageable, and then we're going to brush out the cords. Now that you've brushed out your cord, if you dip it in some water, just the tail ends, and give it another brush out. Now that it's been brushed out after it's been wet, now you can cut it.